Hi, I'm Andrew Meinzer of Meinzer Law Firm. We take care of people all across California who are planning to ensure that things go as they want when they die or become unable to take care of themselves anymore. Accordingly, the information that I'm about to provide is based on California law. It's general information and not specific legal advice. Today, I'll talk to you a bit about your heirs. Your heirs are the people who will receive your assets when you die if you don't do anything to specify the people to receive them at that time. This is the first video in an 8-part video series. If you live in California, then your heirs are defined by California law. Your heirs are the people who will receive your assets after your death if you haven't specified where those assets are to go. In that case, you're said to be intestate. The word intestate means technically without a will. Now, there are many ways besides having a will for you to specify the people to receive your assets after your death. We'll discuss those ways in a later video. First, here, we're going to discuss who your heirs are that will receive your assets if you die without having specified the people to receive your assets at that time. Again, your heirs are your closest living relatives. Your heirs are your spouse, children, grandchildren, parents, siblings, nieces and nephews, grandparents, and so on, in essentially that order. Now, there are special rules that apply to spouses, and those rules depend largely on the characterization of the assets and the order in which the spouses die, which we'll talk about in a later video. All of this discussion about marital assets in California applies to spouses of a married couple and also applies to the domestic partners of a registered domestic partnership. Planning ahead for transfer of assets after your death can be very complicated. There are many factors to consider, including who you want to receive your assets. Also consider how easy you want to make things for your family after you die. If you don't do this correctly, you may create confusion and even conflict among your family members after your death. Hiring an attorney experienced with California transfers of assets after death is critical for obtaining the results that you need. In addition, the advice and guidance of an attorney experienced with transfers of assets after death is invaluable in these cases. At Meinzer Law Firm PC, we have over 20 years of experience helping clients with transfers of assets in California. Again, I'm Andrew Meinzer of Meinzer Law Firm. If you know that you need our help with estate planning and transfers of assets at death, or even if you just have a question, please contact us and let us take care of you.